जब हम रोड पे घसीटे जा रहे थे तो छोड़ के बीजेपी को देश में जितनी भी पार्टियां हैं वो हमारे साथ में थी, हमारे दर्द को समझ पा रही थी।
Ahead of the Haryana Assembly elections, wrestlers Vinesh Fogart and Bajrang Punia have joined the Congress party. They made their move official in a ceremony attended by Congress General Secretary KC Venugopal, Haryana Congress Chief Uday Bhan and AICC in charge Deepak Babaria. During the event, Fogart expressed her gratitude for the support she has received throughout her career.
क्योंकि जब बोलते हैं ना कि बुरे टाइम में पता लगता है कि अपना कौन है। जब हम रोड पे घसीटे जा रहे थे तो छोड़ के बीजेपी को देश में जितनी भी पार्टियां हैं वो हमारे साथ में थी, हमारे दर्द को समझ पा रही थी, हमारे आंसुओं को समझ पा रही थी। मैं बहुत प्राउड फील कर रही हूँ कि मैं एक ऐसी पार्टी में, एक ऐसी विचारधारा में हूँ जो महिलाओं के साथ हो रहा अन्याय और उनके साथ बुरे बर्ताव के खिलाफ खड़ी है। वो लड़ाई लड़ने के तैयार है, सड़क से लेकर संसद तक।
Earlier, both Fogart and Punia had met with Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge and other senior party leaders at his residence. The Congress party has hinted that either Fogart, Punia or both might run for office, though no final decisions have been announced yet. On the same day, Fogart resigned from her position with the Indian Railways, citing personal reasons. Fogart and Punia had also met with former Congress President Rahul Gandhi earlier in the week. The Congress shared a photo of that meeting on their official X, formerly Twitter account. For context, Bajrang Punia won a bronze medal at the Tokyo Olympics, while Vinesh Fogart reached the Olympic final but was disqualified due to being slightly overweight. Both wrestlers were involved in protest against former BJP MP and Wrestling Federation of India chief Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh over sexual harassment allegations in 2023. Meanwhile, the BJP has released its first list of 67 candidates for the Haryana Assembly elections. Notably, 9 sitting MLAs have been dropped. Chief Minister Nayab Singh Saini will be contesting from the Ladwa seat instead of his current Karnal seat. Voting will take place on October 5 and the results will be announced on October 8. With the election coming up, the political scene in Haryana is getting more interesting. Let us know what you think in the comments and keep watching India TV for all the latest updates.